Hi everyone, this is Yoko. 皆さんこんにちは、Yoko です。Welcome back to 2 Minute Tuesday. Today, we're going to look into the difference between ganbare and ganbatte. Let's get right into it. Ganbare and ganbatte both mean slightly different depending on the context. They could mean do your best, good luck, hang in there, don't give up, and keep going. First of all, the both phrases, ganbare and ganbatte, they're from the same verb, ganbaru. Ganbare and ganbatte basically mean the same, but have slightly different nuances. Ganbare in a grammar term is in a form called imperative form, which is a form you can use to give commands. As such, if you use this form, you could sound like you're pushing somebody to try their best. On the other hand, ganbatte is in the te form. Among other uses for the te form could be a request form. So if you use this verb ganbaru in the te form, you sound more like you're requesting somebody to try one's best. So if I were to compare ganbare and ganbatte, ganbatte sounds a little softer. With that being said, ganbare is a frequently used phrase, and it's a very, very common phrase. And I want to note that even if you use this phrase, ganbare, it doesn't sound like you're giving a command. But I would also like to note that you wouldn't want to say this phrase to someone who is older than you, or someone who has higher social status than yours, like senpai or joshi. Usually this phrase is rather used by senpai or joshi towards kohai or buka. If you would like to tell your senpai or joshi, hang in there, try your best, you can attach kudasai to ganbatte. Ganbatte kudasai. Ganbatte kudasai. It is a polite way to say hang in there, try your best, and good luck. If somebody tells you ganbare or ganbatte, since they are casual phrases, your response could be ganbaru. Yes, I will try my best. If your senpai or joshi tells you ganbare or ganbatte, you can respond, Hai, ganbarimasu. Yes, I will try my best. Alright, how was it? 皆さん、日本語の勉強頑張ってください。Good luck studying Japanese, everyone. それではまた次回お会いいたしましょう。さようなら。